हेलो दोस्तों, अगर डिक्टेशंस पसंद आएँ तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हैं तो लाल रंग का सब्सक्राइब बटन है, बेल के साथ दबा दीजिएगा ताकि आपको आने वाली डिक्टेशंस टाइम टू टाइम समय पे मिल सकें। थैंक यू। All the above writ petitions are based upon similar and identical facts and challenges the action of the state of UP and the YEIDA regarding demand of extra amount from the petitioners in respect of plots of land leased out to all of them separately and independently. Full stop para. The writ petition number 28968 of 2018 of Messrs Shakuntala Educational and Welfare Society is taken as the lead case to which counsel for the parties have consented during the course of the averments. Full stop para. Accordingly, we narrate below only the facts in relation to the said writ petition and proceeds to refer the petitioner therein as the sole petitioner. Full stop para. The petitioner is an educational society registered under the Societies Act. Full stop. It had invoked the extraordinary jurisdiction of the High Court for the quashing of the demand of additional amount in respect of the land leased out to it. The resolution of the Board of YEIDA dated 15/9/2014 and the government order dated 29/8/2014 whereby the aforesaid demand was permitted and was allowed to be recovered from the allottees. Full stop. The petitioner has also sought a direction that the state as well as YEIDA be restrained from demanding any additional amount over and above the one mentioned in the lease deed. Full stop para. In order to appreciate the controversy and the issues arising in the above petitions, we consider it appropriate to narrate the facts in brief which have led to the impugned demand, passing of the resolution by the Board of YEIDA and the issuance of the government order dated 29/8/2014. Full stop para. A vast area of land was acquired by the state of UP in district Gautam Buddha Nagar for public purpose for the benefit of YEIDA. Full stop. After the acquisition was completed, YEIDA invited applications for the allotment of plots of land of 25 to 250 acres in the area developed by it. Full stop. In response to the notice inviting applications for such allotment, the petitioner applied for allotment of 50 acres of the land within the institutional area for establishing a university. Full stop para. The petitioner was informed via letter dated 14/9/2009 that a plot of 50 acres has been reserved for it. Full stop. Subsequently, a letter of allotment dated 10/12/2009 was issued to the petitioner allotting plot number 2 in sector 7A having an area of 50 acres equivalent to 202350 square meters. Full stop para. The aforesaid allotment letter in unequivocal terms provided that the premium of the land allotted is rupees 1055 per square meters and the petitioner has to pay EDC at the rate rupees 574 per square meters. Full stop para. It also mentioned that as the petitioner had deposited 10% of the premium amount, the balance 90% shall be payable in monthly installments as specified in the chart contained therein. Full stop para. The allotment order categorically stated that the lease deed shall be executed and the possession of the land shall be handed over. Full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये हो गया है आपका 120 प्लस की स्पीड है, ठीक है। 125 प्लस भी हो सकती है क्योंकि फ्लैक्चुएशन ज़्यादा कर दी है। ओके, तो 2 मिनट बाद शुरू करेंगे क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। तो आप लोग जो है इसको सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, शेयर कर दीजिए, लाइक कर दीजिए और बेल वाला जो बटन है ना उसको दबा दीजिएगा, तो ताकि डिक्टेशन आपको मिल सके टाइम टू टाइम। और जो नए लोग हैं वो भी कर दीजिएगा यही सब सेम प्रोसीजर, ठीक है। और कुछ नया कमेंट डालिए, कुछ पता चले कि कुछ क्या करना है। और गणित वणित अगस्त में इसी महीने आपका गुजरात हाई कोर्ट का पेपर भी है, ठीक है। तो चलिए थोड़ा रुकिए, उसके बाद देते हैं फिर क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन। चलिए तो फिर 30 सेकेंड 25 सेकेंड के बाद क्रिमिनल डिक्टेशन बोल रहे हैं, ओके। स्टार्ट होने वाला है, तैयार हो जाइए। 10 सेकेंड में डिक्टेशन चालू करेंगे, ठीक है। तो क्रिमिनल जजमेंट है ये। Start. Heard learned counsel for the appellant and learned AGA for the state and perused the record full stop para. The criminal appeal has been filed by appellant Phool Chandra under section 374 in bracket 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure against the judgment and order dated 9/11/2012 passed by additional session judge court 8 Barabanki in sessions trial number 163 of 2011 D Court State versus Phool Chandra arising out of case crime number 1634 of 2010 under sections 498A, 306, 302 and 201 of IPC. Police Station Deva, District Barabanki, whereby the appellant has been convicted under sections 302, 201 and 498A of IPC with fine stipulation full stop para. Brief facts which are necessary for the disposal of this appeal are that a written application on 27/10/2010 was given at 4:30 PM at Police Station Kotwali, Deva, District Barabanki by Srimati Pushpa Devi, stating therein that her daughter Neelam was married about 11 years ago to one Phool Chandra, residents of village Randua, Garhi, Police Station Deva, District Barabanki full stop. Her husband, mother-in-law and father-in-law used to beat her and treat her with cruelty for demand of dowry, for which she had filed a criminal case. However, a compromise was filed therein and Phool Chandra took her daughter with him after 3 days of Holi full stop. Since then, her daughter Neelam was living in her matrimonial home. Accused persons used to beat her on the pretext that she had subjected them to process of court full stop para. It was also stated that on 19/10/2010, Phool Chandra and others beat her daughter and also threatened her of dire consequences full stop. The incident was seen by her relative Pyara Devi full stop on 24/10/2010 at about 11:30 AM. Phool Chandra assaulted her daughter and threw her in Indira Canal, and her dead body has been recovered from police station Gosaiganj, Lucknow full stop para. It was further stated in the written application by Srimati Pushpa Devi that at the time of Marpeet, her sister Pyara Devi and his son Munnu tried to intervene, but they were also assaulted by the accused persons full stop. The 3 daughters of the deceased, namely Prachi, Ruchi and Pooja, had also seen the incident and they had also been beaten by Phool Chandra full stop para. On the basis of the written information, an FIR in bracket exhibit K4 was registered as case crime number 1634 of 2010 under sections 498A, and 304B at police station Deva, district Barabanki, against the accused persons, and entry of the substance of the application was also made in the general diary in bracket exhibit K 5 full stop. Investigation of the case was entrusted to the circle officer city, namely Shri Deependra Chaudhary full stop para. Prior to the above information made by Srimati Pushpa Devi at police station Deva, Barabanki, a village chowkidar of village, namely Sardar Singh, when he was going to ease himself at Indra Canal, saw that the dead body of a woman had been trapped in the bushes and most of its part was in water full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये हो गया है, 120 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड में है, ठीक है, फ्लक्चुएशंस के साथ। जो भी दिक्कत महसूस हो रही हो बताइएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा तो उसको कुछ ठीक किया जाएगा। नाम इसमें आया हुआ है, नाम की जगह हम बहुत धीमे बोल दिए हैं इसीलिए, ताकि नाम लिखने में आपको दिक्कत ना हो। और जब एक बार पहला वाला नाम लिख लिया जाता है ना, तो उसके बाद उसके सिर्फ इशारे बनाए जाते हैं, समझ रहे हैं ना आप लोग। मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हर बार जो है अब आप उसको पूरा पूरा नाम लिखिए। एक बार लिख लिया पुष्पा देवी आया है तो पुष्पा देवी आएगा, पी को डबल डैश कर दीजिए, हो गया पुष्पा, या फिर सर्किल लगा दीजिए पुश, ठीक है, या पुश केवल बना दीजिए, या पी एस बना के डबल डैश कर दीजिए। और जो और भी नाम आए हैं उनमें हम धीमे हुए हैं, तो जो भी नाम आया करें ना उनको प्रैक्टिस 2-2 लाइन कर लिया करिए। इससे नाम ना, आपका नाम का जो वोकैब है वो तैयार हो जाएगा। और क्योंकि नाम आएगा कि नहीं आएगा गारंटी नहीं है इस बात की, ठीक है, तो इसलिए नाम की भी प्रैक्टिस करते हुए चलिए। तो फिर अगले डिक्टेशन में मिलेंगे, ठीक है ना, बताइएगा जो भी होता है।